Hi, my name is BREGJE and you are watching Estona tutorials. And if you are watching this video, you are not currently on my subscriber feed, so you can watch a part of this video, but if you want to get the full experience, then please hop on over to Patreon and you can find me at patreon.com/Estona_tutorials. I hope I'll see you there. This ring was made by someone I know, and she asked me if I could replace the stone. She made this ring herself, so she really did an awesome job. But I think I can see where it went wrong with the stone, because as you can see, there isn't any bezel edge here at all. So I think the stone just popped out, but let's fix that. So I have a new gemstone and I have a plan, but before I'm going to work on this, I'm going to clean it in my ultrasonic device. And as you can see, cleaning it revealed something here. I think the stone was actually glued in place, but it's not a problem for me. I am going to sand this inside and then I will take away the glue residue in one go. I am going to use this sandpaper roll and my micromotor. And I'm going to continue with sanding until this one falls right through, and then I can make a new bezel edge a bit lower in the ring. Then I will have enough silver to fold over my stone. I will remove that last line with an Eve silicone disc. And just to let you know, I think this took me about 8 to 10 minutes. But here we go. And this is good enough for me because I can really drop my stone in there. And now let's add a little bezel edge on the inside. And I think that's the secret, taking your time, because everyone can do a hasty job, but you want a perfect job. So relax, take your time and you will be okay. I'm going to create a circle for the inside and I'm using a 1 millimeter piece of wire to do so. I'm taking away some excess wire, but I'm still leaving a little part on here so I can adjust the ring. So let's pop this in there and see how it fits. Well, this is actually a quite decent fit. So I am going to cut through this and solder it.